Is your Volvo V50's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are a failing Siren battery or a sensitive interior sensor. Start by checking the Siren battery, typically a 9 volts or 12 volt located under the hood or in the fender. A weak battery often triggers false alarms. If the battery is the issue, replace it with a new alkaline battery. Next, consider the interior sensor, which detects movement inside the cabin. False triggers can be due to loose wiring, electrical interference, or sensitivity to external vibrations. Try calibrating the sensor via the vehicle's keypad or through a diagnostic tool to adjust its sensitivity. If replacing the Siren battery or adjusting the interior sensor sensitivity doesn't solve the problem, try a full alarm reset. Disconnect the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the ECU memory. You may need to reprogram your system afterward, sometimes via a keypad code. If the problem persists, you might have a shorted wire or grounding issue, which requires professional diagnosis. Consider using an OBD2 scanner for real-time diagnostics. Remember to prioritize safety during any repairs, wearing gloves, and ensuring the car is parked securely. While DIY fixes can resolve many issues, improper repairs can cause further problems, so proceed with caution.